Today I'll show you 3 news trading bots I'm using in 2025. Trading the news is a dream come true for many traders because it's exciting to open a position just before a big move, especially when we have a prediction. However, this is also when beginner traders lose the most, as there are many hidden factors to consider when trading the news. And the first bot I want to show you is the BF News Trader EA. It is actually a free expert advisor that you can find on the FX Automator website and is right on the top. This expert advisor has a lot of inputs, even though it is a free one, and you will find the EA settings with details, and you can learn more about how the expert advisor works. There is a real tick data backtest for the dollar CAD, the pound dollar, the euro dollar, the Aussie, the yen, and there is a detailed guide on how you can download the data and backtest it on your MetaTrader terminal. Now right in here on this VPS I have the BF News Trader running for quite a long time on a virtual account, and it's been profitable. It's been actually up and down, but I never gave it a chance on a live account until the moment. And if I show you the account history, you will notice that there are many trades that open and closed. It trades just with 0.01 lot, so there is no huge risk for the account to be blown. The stop loss always takes a place, which means that probably there is a trailing stop loss, because you can see that even when we have profitable trades, the stop loss is hit. And you can see that the trades open a few seconds after the hot economic news. So for example, this trade opened at 3:30 p.m. actually 5 seconds after the news, and it was closed 4 seconds later. The next one again 5 seconds after the news and 4 seconds later. So basically this is the same timing, but one is selling the dollar yen, the other one is buying the euro dollar. Both trades closed on a profit, and as well at the same time we have a long pound dollar trade that closed on a profit, and that one was kept open for 5 seconds. So this robot is entering right after the news, and it keeps trades for a few seconds, and I'm planning to put it on a small live account with FP Markets, and I am planning to trade the paid version, which is called the New Scope EA Pro. I'll leave the link to the track record in the description so you can keep an eye on it, but I want to trade it with FP Markets because it has really tight spread and fast execution speed, which is vital when we are trading the news with expert advisors. It offers MetaTrader 4 and 5, and what I like the most with FP Markets is the variety of assets they offer. Pretty much you can trade anything you want, and they offer 2 account types, which makes it really easy. One is the standard account and the other one is the raw account, where the spread starts from 0 and we pay $3 commission each way, and usually I trade the raw accounts. The minimum is just $50, and I'll start a new trading account with $500, and actually I will need 2 of those live accounts because I want to trade on live the second bot for news, and this is the Happy News, which I've been trading on a demo with FP Markets, and it is right on this VPS. So I'll bring it on the recording screen, and you will see that all the news are displayed on the chart. And this demo account I started on the 11th of June. Again, you will notice trades opening right after the hot economic news, and those last for a few seconds. But look at that, there is much more profitable trades compared to the losing trades. And in this $1,000 demo account I already have nearly $200. Well, that's nearly 20%. It is a profit of $197, and this one is trading the dollar yen, the pound dollar, the euro dollar, and the Aussie. Right in here I have a losing trade, so you can see that once I had this losing trade with the euro dollar, there was no recovery or martingale system to be added. The robot just keeps trading. Another losing trade with negative $10. Pretty much it hits the stop loss, so we can see that it entered a short dollar yen trade at 143.78 and 143.93. The stop loss was hit and I had this loss of $10. But at the same time, you can see that there was a long trade right at the same time. Okay, 2 seconds later, a long trade was executed at 144, and you can see that this trade closed like 5 seconds later on a profit with $38.46. So it opened a long and a short trade at the same time. One was closed with $10 loss, the other one was closed with $38 of a profit. And if I show you the vendor's website, you will see that this expert advisor is part of their package where they are selling 10 expert advisors for 700 euro for 2 real accounts and 900 euro for 5 real accounts. But this expert advisor actually has a very interesting track record. If I show it to you right in here, you will see the track record. So there are a few live accounts, but if I show you, let's say the first one, you will see that there is a total return of 4,550%, which is really unbelievable. But we've been following this for quite a while and it looks like real. That is why with my team we decided to put it on a demo account, and now we will be putting it on an FP Markets live account to see if we can achieve similar results. And the third news trading bot is called the News Catcher. I've been trading it for a while on a live account, and you can see the profits. Only profitable trades until the moment. There is not a single losing trades in my account history. If I increase the terminal a little bit more, you will see that all of the trades are profitable since the 11th of June until the moment. Let me arrange that. Sorry, the first trade was opened on the 9th of April, and until the 2nd of July, you can notice that there are only profitable trades. And again, it's trading with 0.01, 0.02. That's the maximum exposure I see. It's trading only the euro dollar, the euro pound, and the pound dollar. And that's a $1,000 live account, but I'll be also putting it on a $500 live account with FP Markets because I want to compare the 3 bots on the same server with the same broker and see at the end of the day which will be the better performer. This expert advisor has no losing trades, but it is more expensive because it comes from Valerie Trading, and they have a live track record, and you can see that the gain is nearly 100%. There are some drops in the track record, a bigger one recently that almost recovered, but here the deposit is $200, which is a proof that this expert advisor is also suitable for a small live account. And if I show you a little bit lower, you will see that we have a losing April, a little bit of a loss in March, and in 2024 we have 3 losing months with 9 profitable ones, and in 2023 we have 1 losing March with -16. But you can see that most of the time this expert advisor is profitable. The drawdown is just around 17% back in 2023, but since then it stays somewhere between 10 and 15%. And trading the news is possible only with expert advisors, guys. Trust me on this one, because I've lost a lot of money trying to trade the news. When I was a beginner manual trader, I was always looking at the economic calendars, trying to catch the predictions or to trade against them, but the brokers always win if you are trying to trade manually around the news. With the expert advisors, we have a high chance, but still it is risky because most brokers have slippage and they delay the orders. That is why I'm using brokers like FP Markets, Black Bull, IC, and all the other regulated and huge brokers that provide fair trading conditions. I'll leave all the links down below in the description, guys. And before you go, check out this video on my side to see a detailed review of another expert advisor I'm already trading live. As always, I love you, trade safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.